comfortable being uncomfortable. Thank you. I'm sorry, I'm too far.
On a normal working day, our foot travels miles and miles. And even by standing still, the foot gets very strained. So, and the fact is, while working, during the working hours of ours, our foot swells by 8%. So it's very important to have the right shoes you're wearing, the comfortable shoes and which are flexible. So, MC of the day, my fellow Toastmasters and my dear friends, a very comfortable good evening to you all.
Good evening.
Let me give you some facts of buying shoes for the next time. What do you consider when you buy a shoe? Is it the looks? Is it the rate, price, or is it something which attracts you? It's all wrong. Today I'll give you some facts. This is the shoe. The major part, the important part is the heel. Heel is basically, it should be as broad as your heel, base of the foot. It should not fall apart. You must have observed some people while wearing shoes or chappals where both the sides of their foot is falling apart like an elephant is sitting on the ant. That will give cracks to your heel. Next is counter. Counter should be as stiff as possible. It should not bend. That gives a proper support to the heel. And then comes toe box. Toe box is nothing but the width, half an inch of the gap between the longest toe and the tip of the shoes. To wiggle your fingers and to give them place to breathe. And the next comes the shank. Shank is nothing but the arch of the foot which should fit to the arch of your foot. It is very important to have the right one. When you bend the shoe, it should not bend fully, it should bend only 3/4 of it or maybe half. That is important. And then comes the vamp. As higher the vamp, the better the shoes is. It snugs your feet, so feet feels comfortable. And then last but not the least, the last is insole. The best shoe is not the one which is expensive. The best shoe is the one which has a removable insole. And outer sole is nothing but the grip of the shoes, which is dirty right now. Grip of the shoes and the durability of the sole behind. Coming to high heels, ask any woman in this forum. High heels is one of the essential part of the wardrobe. It's very important to have high heels because they make you look taller and smarter at the same time. Appearances are deceptive, as they say. Here, the high heel is doing the magic. So, it's very important to buy the right shoes to avoid blisters, corns, and also, on a serious note, foot, knee, and back injuries. So be very careful next time before you buy. They say woman is the pure reflection of a man. Do you agree?
Yes.
Woman is the pure reflection of a man. So whenever you see a woman walking in her high heels, next time, as beautiful as a rose, tilting on both the sides, and bending her knees and being uncomfortable, and with a forced smile on her face, you know whom to blame and what to blame. Gentlemen, I would like to share a few tips for your better half. Firstly, when you go for a party, make sure your partner knows the theme and the venue of the party. Imagine so she can dress up appropriately, accordingly, and attractively. Imagine you're going to an open air party where the grass is velvet green and you go with your stilettos. chances are, before you could even imagine, the stilettos will sink into the ground and you might trip. The stilettos might sink into the ground like a needle in butter bowl, and you might trip yourself, which is an embarrassing situation for both husband and wife, and the event can be ruined badly, and some of the lives also. So I'd like to share, when I went with my husband to Dubai Mall for a dinner. By mistake, we forgot to note down the entrance number. And believe me, after dinner, it was all marathon on my high heels. We looked at each and every gate which looked the same, but we could not find the place. So to avoid all these, I would like to suggest to the ladies, always pick up wedge heels where your body weight is distributed evenly, and it will make you look taller and look gorgeous, as beautiful as Alice in Wonderland, where even the Toastmasters would not get their eyes off you. Let me also tell you, all the leg pains are not because of the wrong shoes. My husband goes with me for shopping, and then he gets leg pain. When he's shopping for himself, there's no leg pain. He's a shopaholic otherwise. He wants me to stop, park the car, go to the store, and come back immediately. Just as simple as ABC. And then we women can't even imagine all these things, even in our worst of our dreams. Do you? No. We are used to shop till we drop, literally. A free and friendly advice to the men. Never say no to a woman to buy the shoes. More shoes and more pair of shoes. Trust me, friends, it's very important to have the right kind of shoes, which not only fits your pocket, but fits your feet as well. So make sure next time you buy the most comfortable shoes, not because it is expensive or good branded, because it fits your foot rightly. I would like to say a good shoe is a great investment for your future. I'd like to rewrite my title, Don't Be Comfortable Being Uncomfortable.